Do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the amp is located underneath the floor. Here is the back tailgate right here, and it's located right here. So we got to remove these pieces now. This is where the spare tire would be. And we got to remove this piece right here. It's held in by 3 10mm headed bolts, one there that I took out that one right there, and one right here. So I took those bolts out. Now we can just remove that piece, and there is our amp right there. Alright, now this piece right here, we gotta lift up on it. Oh, that's enough right there. Now we can get out the bolts. We got one 10mm headed nut there, one there, and we've got 2 10mm headed bolts there. So before we remove those, let's remove our electrical connectors. Now on those connectors, this is the little lock right there. So that's what you want to push to get your connectors out. So now we got to remove those bolts. Here is the last bolt. And there shouldn't be anything holding it in there now. There we go. Quite the bracket on there. Oh, baby, huh? A little bit of aluminum there. Quite the heat sink. Yes, sirree. They wanted to dissipate the heat on that. This is a Bose. And it is quite heavy. Quite heavy. Yes, it is. Yeah. So that's all there is to removing an amplifier from your Nissan Rogue.